I know you can't come back to school, and a lot of you are missing school, so we thought we'd do a bit of arithmetic because we know year 5 is a really important year. You're going into year 6, so we want to make sure that you are rehearsing all the basic math knowledge that you learned in year 5. So today we're going to start off with addition using column method. You've done this before, but just in case some of you may have forgotten and need a bit of practice, we're going to do some today. I'll go through the one on the board and then you'll have some questions and we'll go through them together at the end. So I've got a sum here, 52,467 plus 13,234. I've laid it out already in my column method. Remember to make sure your digits are in the correct place value. I've got my ones here, my tens, my hundreds, my thousands and my 10,000s. I'm also going to start off with the ones. We always start off with the ones. So we're going to do 7 plus 4, which we know is 11. However, we can't just write down 11, so we're going to put the 1 there and we're going to exchange our other one underneath to our tens. So that's our 11. Then we're going to do 6 plus 3, which we know is 9. But remember, we need to add the number that we've exchanged, which is 1. So that's 10. So we're going to put the 0 down there. And again, we're going to have to exchange our 1. Then we're going to do 4 plus 2, which is 6. Adding our ones that we've exchanged, which is 7. Moving on to our thousands. 2 plus 3, which you know is 5. No exchanging. And then 5 plus 1, which is 6. Again, no exchanging. So our answer is 65,700. So on the board, here are 5 questions. I want you to press pause, have a go at all 5 questions, and then when you're ready, press play, and we can go through the answers together. Okay, I hope you've all had a chance to have a go at these questions. Now we're going to go through them. Take a pen, correct yourself, correct any mistakes you've made, and make sure that you're following along. Okay, let's start with the first one. 7,368 plus 1,452, starting off with our ones. 8 plus 2 is 10. Remember, putting the 1 down, we've got an exchange. 6 add 5 is 11. Add the number we've exchanged 1, which is 12. Put the 2 down again and exchanging. 3 plus 4 is 7. Add 1 is 8. And then 7 add 1 is 8. So your answer should be 8,820. Moving on to number 2. 67,312 plus 21,794. Again, starting for our ones. 2 plus 4 is 6. We need to exchange. 1 plus 9 is 10. Put the 0, exchanging the 1. 3 add 7 is 10. Add the 1, which is 11. Again, we need to exchange. 7 add 1 is 8. Add the 1 is 9. And then 6 plus 2 is 8. So your answer is 89,106. Number 3, a bigger number here. 128,931 plus 127,128. Starting off for our ones. 1 plus 8 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. 9 plus 1 is 10. We need to exchange. 8 plus 7 plus 1. So 8 plus 7 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus the 1 is 5. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So your answer is 256,059. Sorry, so 256,059. Number 4, 98,331 plus 89,338. With our ones, 1 plus 8 is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. We've not needed to exchange. 8 plus 9 is 17. So put the 7. We need to exchange over to the next column. And again, we've got 9 plus 8, which you know is 17 because we've done it before. But 9 plus 8 is 17. Plus the 1 is 18. Remember to make sure you put that one in the next column, into the next place value. So that means our answer is 187,669. And now we've got our last question, which is 556,700 plus 1,009,907. So start for our ones. 0 plus 7, which is easy, we know is 7. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 9 is 16. Need to exchange. 9 plus 6 is 15. Add the 1 is 16. Again, exchanging. 5 plus 0 is 5. Plus the 1 is 6. And then 5 plus 1 is 6. So our answer is 666,607. If you haven't got any right, I hope you've looked at where you've gone wrong and made your corrections. But I hope you enjoyed doing some addition using column method today. Come back tomorrow and we'll start on subtraction.